Okay, now you've come to the part of our lesson where we have mixed review. You'll find that there are words that you learned last week with ON, and there are a few other words that you haven't learned yet, but you can certainly figure them out. You've also got words that we've introduced this week with ET. If you look at the first word, here's how I want you to read them. Pedal, pedal. So when you bring them together, make sure that you're reading it with the schwa. Try the next few words, track as you go on your screen, and make sure someone is keeping track of any words that you miss. I'll point to each word to kind of keep you going with the pace. Okay, if you missed any, please put it into the form in the classroom. If you got them all, type, I nailed it.